Two hands.
Yeah.
Don't dot your toes. So they're quite heavy. They're a bit like heavy bits of Lego. Hold it. Easy slow. Chest right. Is that roughly in the middle there as levels?
I'm Chuck Jones, Conservation Skills Programme Manager for Historic Environment Scotland. I'm a partner in the Erasmus project for Historic Environment Scotland. Today we are at St Andrew's High School in Kirkcaldy and we're giving the pupils here a taster of traditional craft skills. We have traditional hairy lime plastering on the go. We have stone masonry using limestone blocks. We have some traditional slate roofing, we have some bricklaying, and we also have them carrying out miniature A-frame roof trusses as part of their taster session for this event.
Coming here and of course people might be able to comment as well, which is
Nobody's pulling out of the ground, so whenever you need slate, we'll have to buy it from abroad. This one comes from
My name's Emma and I'm doing some traditional building skills with the Erasmus project and I'm from St Andrew's High School. I'm bricklaying and it's part of the Erasmus project and it's pretty fun.